Sometimes it's helpful to distinguish left from right. For example, if you only have one track and you're wondering which side the next track will be on, or if there's a lot of prints in a small area and you're trying to figure out what the sequence of movements was. So I'm going to give you 6 clues, details you can look for in your own study of species tracks so that it'll be easier for you to do that. One thing you can look for is distinctive features in the print. For example, in this possum print, notice the right toe points toward the midline, and it's very hard to miss that. So if you see that, you know it's a left foot. Another example of a distinctive feature is the straight line on the edge of a porcupine print, on the outside edge. So if the outside edge is on the left and it's straight, you know you have a left hind foot. A second clue you can look for is similarities to the human foot. Notice in this raccoon hind track, it looks like our right foot. However, in the case of the raccoon, it's the left foot. That pattern is pretty common. Look at this bear print. It looks like a right hind foot, but the big toe is actually where our little toe is. And you will find this in an awful lot of tracks, especially hind tracks. For a third kind of clue, notice whether toe 1 or toe 5 is the lower toe, meaning closer to the heel. In the skunk print, toe 1 is the lower one, and that makes it a left print. Notice the same pattern on the squirrel track. Low toe on the right side of the track means that it's a left foot. Also notice that low pad on the left hind foot. If that's on the right side, that also means it's a left foot. The fourth clue is to look for asymmetry. Notice in this bobcat print that toe 3 breaks the symmetry of the print. It also, since it's to the right of the 4-digit group, means that it's on the left side. A final clue comes from the fact that, just like us, animals tend to walk with more weight on the outside of their foot than on the inside. That means that if you have a 5-toed animal and 1 digit is missing in the print, it's probably from the inside toe.